Welcome everyone to Code with Office. Can you write a function without def inside Python? How? We have another method inside Python which is called Lambda function. Lambda function is nothing but a simple, short and powerful way to write a single line function inside Python. So in this code, this is the normal function inside Python. Def is nothing but a keyword to define a function. Add is the name of the function. A or B are the input parameters for the add function. And in this line, we are calling a function with with two parameters, and 9 for the A parameter and 8 for the B parameter. So we are passing two arguments to these parameters, and then it will return the result of the A and B. So if I run my code, you see I am getting 17. So let me write a lambda function. I am going to convert this function to the lambda function. How you will do this inside Python? So let me write a function lambda and a over b colon a plus b. So here a or b are the same input parameters like we have a normal function for the lambda, and a plus b is the expression for the lambda. So here you see we have no return statement here. The lambda automatically return the result of the expression, and then we are going to store this inside add and print add. And if I pass 9 and 8, clear my terminal and run my code, you see I am getting 17. If I change the value of b to see the difference between the lambda and the normal, so as you see I am getting 15. 9 plus 6, 15. So the a plus b returning us the result of the a and b without any return statement. So let me understand this code deeply. So guys, this add, this we are storing function inside variable add. Basically we are storing a function inside this add, and now add behaves like a function, and the lambda, this lambda is to create anonymous function. Lambda is basically a keyword to create anonymous function, means function without name. So a or b are the input parameters for the lambda, same like we use inside our normal function, and a or b are the expression after the colon. The colon is nothing but a separator. The left side are the inputs after colon, on the right side, the logic. So on the right side of lambda we have logic, on the left side we have the inputs, and the colon is a separator. So a plus b are the expression or the calculation. Here it is the expression, this expression is basically doing the calculation a plus b for the a and b. So this is the expression after the colon. On the right side we also say the logic or the expression. This is automatically returned, no need of return like we have inside normal. So in normal function we have return, and but in lambda we have no return. So in lambda it is auto return the result of expression. Let me run again this to understand you again. So see, I am getting the 15. So this lambda it automatically return the result of the expression and this calculation and logic. So what happens in this code, we call an add and we pass the argument 9 and 6. So we pass the 9 to the A and 6 to the B. So A plus B equals to 15 and we got the output 15. Let me create another example of the lambda function. Lambda, and I am going to use the C and D colon C. I am going to use one variable C colon C, mm, using the special character and C. So if I print mul and I will pass, let's say, 9. So if I run my code and if I comment this line to see the result of only the last code, so I am getting 81. Why I am getting 81? Because the square of 9 is 81. So we pass 9 to the C. Left side of the column we have C, the 9, and the right side the expression 9 into 9. We get the square of 9, which is 81. So the square of 9 is 81. Let me write another example for the lambda function.